Some important legal pitfalls that new businesses should avoid: not getting the proper business licenses that you need to operate your business in the state and city where it's located, not having good contracts in place when hiring employees and working with customers, and not taking the time to properly vet and protect their brand to make sure that they're not accidentally infringing on another existing brand. So one thing I frequently see in my practice is businesses that choose a really cool, unique name in the state of Washington, only to later find that they're using somebody else's brand and getting a nasty cease and desist letter along with a demand for thousands of dollars in damages. So it's important to be very thoughtful when choosing your brand, and not only just thinking about it from the perspective of, I want a cool brand with an interesting name. The best practice to avoid accidentally stealing another person's brand is to first just do a Google search and figure out what's out there and make sure nobody else is using it. Even if you don't find the name on Google, that doesn't necessarily mean that that brand isn't taken. It's possible that that business isn't registered online. So it's also important to work with an attorney who can do a comprehensive search to the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office to make sure that somebody else hasn't already protected a similar brand as yours. If you fail to register your business properly, your business could be on the hook for unpaid business and licensing taxes to the state and city where your business operates. If your business formation applications are being rejected, or if you're having trouble figuring out what steps you need to take to properly register a business, working with a business attorney could help. Another problem that I often see new businesses facing are relying on handshake agreements with vendors and their clients. It is very important that businesses have strong contracts in place with the correct language to ensure that they're getting what they want out of each agreement, and to make sure the party that they're contracting with are honoring their side of the agreement. If you'd like to avoid common mistakes that many business owners face when starting a new business, give us a call at View Ridge Law, and we would love to help you out.